Welcome to our channel Amazing Top 10s. Today we are going to present the top 10 facts about coronavirus. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to never miss any notification. We are all aware due to coronavirus, the whole world is on lockdown. Lots of people have lost their lives and millions of people are infected. So many of us may want to know the facts about coronavirus, and here we present the 10 of them. Number 1. Coronavirus is named as coronavirus because in Latin, corona means crown. And when you observe coronavirus through an electron microscope, it appears as crown due to the presence of spike glycoproteins. And this is how it got its name. Number 2. Coronavirus is not a new virus. Many different ancestors of coronavirus have existed in the past, like MERS-CoV in 1200 AD and like SARS-CoV in 2003 AD. And the most interesting fact is they were all related to bats. And the current outbreak, COVID-19, is a new strain of coronavirus that has not been previously identified in humans. And that is the reason why it is getting lots of attention now. Number 3. Mosquitoes cannot spread coronavirus because coronavirus can only be transmitted through saliva or sneeze droplets. Also, there is no data to suggest that coronavirus is transmitted through mosquitoes. Number 4. Coronavirus is found in semen. But though it is found in semen, till now there is no evidence to suggest that coronavirus can transmit through sex. But even the pre-sex activities such as kissing and foreplay can cause transmission. Number 5. Coronavirus can stay on different surfaces for different duration depending on the material of the surfaces and humidity of the environment. According to National Institute of Health, it can stay on plastics for 2 to 3 days, stainless steel for 3 days, on cardboard for 24 hours and copper for 4 hours. Number 6. Currently, there are more than 5 different tests for coronavirus: swab test, nasal aspirate, tracheal aspirate, sputum test, and blood test. In swab test, sample of your nose or throat mucus is taken and special pad called swab is used. In nasal aspirate, a saline solution is injected into your nose and the sample is taken with the light suction. Trachea is a part of lungs, which means a torch will be reached to your lungs to collect sample. Tracheal aspirate is painful and gross. In sputum test, the thick mucus which comes with our cough is kept in a cup and tested. And in a blood test, a blood sample is taken from a vein and it is tested. Number 7. No real vaccine or medicine against coronavirus has been found yet. While several drug trials are ongoing, there is currently no proof that hydroxychloroquine or any other drug can cure or prevent COVID-19. Also, the consumption of ethanol, methanol, and garlic does not cure coronavirus. It may rather cause serious side effects and illness and even to death. Number 8. Ordinary cloth mask does not prevent you from coronavirus because the size of coronavirus is about 0.2 micrometer, which is very small. So it may enter through the pores of cloth mask. For that reason, they don't offer much protection. However, N95 and triple layer masks are effective at capturing droplets, which is a main transmission route of coronavirus. Number 9. If you get coronavirus, the very first symptoms you will see are fever followed by a cough. When the situation starts to worsen, you'll have a lot of trouble in breathing because of pneumonia, where every breath you will feel like you have stone in your lungs. This will later lead to asphyxia, death due to lack of oxygen. Number 10. There are two methods to cure coronavirus. First, stopping the growth of coronavirus through social distancing. Second, treatment with vaccine. So, until and unless vaccine is developed, protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions. Follow advice provided by your local public health agency. Maintain social distancing. Avoid crowd. Wash your hands frequently and stay safe at your home. We have tried covering the facts about coronavirus. If you know any other facts about it, we would love to hear. So please mention it in the comment section below. Hereby, I request you to like, share and subscribe our channel. We will see you in another exciting new video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.